According to Google, I hope you know there are over 11 jobs within the data analyst career path, where you can become a project manager that understands data, you can become a data scientist, you can become a data analyst, you can become a business intelligence expert. All of the lists are listed down. It's too many. So we are bringing to you an opportunity to earn a revered certification from Microsoft to become awarded Microsoft Certified Data Analyst Associate. I often get asked, who is a data analyst? What do I need to become a data analyst? Despite there are over 11 career paths that you can build within a data analyst. So we are offering you Microsoft DA 100 certification plus the exam, and you'll be awarded by Microsoft as Microsoft Data Analyst Associate. So sign up today. The early bird offer, hurry up and sign up before it expires. The illiterate of the 21st century are not those who cannot read or write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. And this is by Alan Toffler. So what would you be learning? You'll be learning the entire 13 module on the Power BI Business Intelligence course. You'll be awarded certificates with hand-holding, guiding you just throughout the process. So sign up today.